Transform your WordPress site into something truly special by seamlessly integrating the power of Lovable. First, log into your WordPress administrative dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section in the left-hand menu. From there, click on the Add New button at the top of the Plugins page. In the search bar, type in Lovable. You should see the Lovable plugin appear. Click the Install Now button. WordPress will now download and install the plugin. Once it's finished, you'll see an Activate button. Click Activate to enable Lovable's functionalities on your website. Now that Lovable is active, you can start embedding its code snippets. You'll typically find these snippets in your Lovable account dashboard, often under a section for integrations or code. Carefully copy the specific code snippet provided by Lovable that you wish to implement. To add this code, we'll access your theme's files. Go to Appearance in the WordPress menu, and then select Theme File Editor. You might see a warning about editing theme files directly. Proceed with caution. Locate and select the functions file from the list of theme files on the right-hand side. Scroll to the very end of the functions file. Paste the Lovable code snippet you copied earlier at the end of this file. Ensure it's pasted correctly. Click the Update File button to save your changes. You should see a confirmation that your theme file has been updated. And just like that, your website is now enhanced with Lovable's unique features. You can now customize its functionalities directly through your Lovable dashboard, ensuring a seamless integration and unlocking its full potential. Experiment and see how Lovable can elevate your WordPress experience.